Hello, guys. By the way, nice. So, let's do your 48 hours reading. Take what resonates, leave the rest. It's going to be in Hindi English mix. Let's see what's happening for the next 48 hours for the collective. Someone is playing safe. Let me tell you something. There's a person who is madly in love with you, who really admires you, who really likes you as well. They see you as someone who's a divine feminine, someone who is really loving, someone who's just the perfect fit, just the perfect match for them, just the person that they always wanted and admired. But this person is playing very safe. Okay, so either this person is going to show you that, oh, they're not interested, all right, or they may show you कि okay, they may contact you for work, ठीक है, work related बातें करना, or they might discuss about work related stuff and all of that, because firstly this person doesn't have the courage to be upfront and be straightforward or behave like a man or pursue you like a man. So that is definitely there. This person is lacking that confidence, this person is lacking that self-esteem. So right now for them, the best way to deal with you is by playing safe. Okay, so they are definitely not going to cut the contact. They want to have the contact with you, they want to talk to you, but with uh you know taking all the precautions and everything, because like I said that this person is in constant fear. Okay, I also feel that for very few of you, maybe this person is married or maybe this person is with someone else. So they might not want anyone to get to know about what they feel for you, what they have for you, and they kind of see you as a threat also. What if this person say something in front of someone or anything of that sort? So that fear energy is definitely there. And then we have the stuck energy as well. So like I said, I think this person is quite stuck right now because this person feels, and I also feel that this is your energy also. Whomsoever is watching this, I do feel that this is your energy, regardless of the gender. Abhi tak it was more of that feminine and masculine wala cheese. Okay, but here this specific card I think is for both the masculine and the feminine. And I feel that in the next 48 hours you might feel stuck, because there's one side of the story that has all the rainbows and all that beauty, and there's another side of the story where you experience all the dirt, the mud and everything. So it's like you are actually seeing life from a bird's eye view. Okay, and life is about that. Life is where you get to see the rainbows and you also get to see the mud, where you get to see the lotus and you also get to see the mud. Okay, so this is something that you are experiencing in your life. It's just that if you really try to change your perspective, things are going to be a lot more easier for you. But if you see life as something which is miserable, something as a mistake, that I should be why am I on this earth, why, what is my purpose, why am I doing this, why am I doing that, blah blah blah. If you stay into that stuck and confusing energy, you'll see life as something which is miserable, as something which is a mistake. But life is never for humans. It's a big blessing, because you have all the capacity and caliber to create whatever you want to. Okay, it's very easy to manipulate people. We use our power to manipulate people, but if we use our mind, if we use our own energies, okay, by manipulating them, we can create this world like literally very magical. Okay, let's see what do we have for the next 48 hours. We have deception, decrease, planning an action, and we have deserving as well. See, I do feel that there's going to be an energy where there's going to be less of deception. अभी तक हो सकता है कि एक ऐसी energy हो जहाँ पे either you were deceiving or you were getting deceived, okay? But now this energy is decreasing for sure. We have the decrease card as well. So if someone has been trying to, not show you their true intentions, their true emotions, their true side to you, it is definitely decreasing. And I think I also feel that, there's someone who wants to take an action towards you, okay? There's someone who is planning to take an action towards you. They want to reach out to you. The only thing that was stopping them to, reach out to you or to be themselves is because they see you as someone who's very authentic, okay? But this person is not that authentic. This person constantly wears a mask. So now they are planning to remove that mask. Now they're planning to be authentic. Now they're planning to be transparent with you. Now they're planning to be honest with you. And for some, it can be related to your work life. It can be related to, your workspace as well. I think with time, this person is feeling worthy of you. This person is slowly feeling that yes, I do deserve this person. I do deserve my collective. I do deserve this girl. I do deserve this man. So deserving energy is definitely increasing, and even on your individual level, you will again, regardless of the gender, for both masculine and feminine, your deservingness is increasing within you. Your self-esteem is getting high. Your confidence is getting high. You are maybe having this dialogue with yourself, or you are feeling this in your energy that yes, I am worthy of this. Yes, I am worthy of this honor, of this respect, of this treatment, and stuff like that. So you might want to, love yourself more. You might celebrate yourself more. You will celebrate life more. So yeah, that energy is there. And I also see there's a beautiful balance with solar chakra as well. So solar chakra is also getting really balanced, and this is also a time where in your life, if you ever felt that I cannot see this dream because I don't think I can fulfill this or anything of that sort, now is the time to dream big, okay? Whatever you dream of, whatever you would want to dream, you will be able to fulfill it, okay? So next 48 hours to, in fact, 52 hours, I do feel very important time for you to manifest, very important time for you to daydream, dream, fascinate, be in your own la la land, be in your own bubble, because you are definitely throwing that energy to the universe that yes, I deserve it. And when you tell universe that I deserve this, universe is going to hear it, okay? Universe will get a crystal clear message that yes, okay, collective is saying that collective deserves it, so okay, now I have to deliver it. So that kind of energy is definitely there, which you should definitely take quite seriously. So I think that was your reading, and I hope it helps. I'll see you next time. Bye bye, take care.